see it last for you on like one charge? Like I would say like ballpark.
6-7 hours. Is there any chance that the battery could be replaced as a courtesy? Were you aware that you could get Apple to replace your iPhone battery for free? In this video, I'm gonna show you how. Maybe. Oh, hey, if you found this channel by suggested, well, I do all things Apple related. News, rumors, products, opinions, the whole nine. If that sounds interesting to you, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on notification bell so you don't miss my next video, and share any of these if you think it can help someone else. Thank you. Here's the plan. You guys know, or maybe you don't, that I decided to keep the iPhone 13 Pro. That is the first iPhone I've kept for more than a year. Wow.
I spent too much money.
Number 2. I'm going to take my iPhone 13 Pro to the Apple Store, and I'm gonna tell them I'm not happy with the battery life.
Not happy with the battery life.
And that's true for the most part. I mean, I'm okay with it. I'm just not as happy as I was when I first got it. Make sense? Okay. Number 3. I do currently have Apple Care. I just want to make sure that I get this down right. If I were to break my phone for any reason, they would repair or replace it for a small fee. Number 4. If you have Apple Care and your phone has a battery life of 80% or less, Apple should replace the battery for free. You know what's so funny? I hear people talk about that all the time, but I've never actually seen it. So we're gonna find out. Of course, if you could get it for free, yeah, you know, no brainer, right? If it costs $69, would you do it? Go ahead and leave a comment down below and let me know. Number 5, I'm going to sweet talk them into replacing my iPhone 13 Pro battery for free, thus making me the best at absolutely nothing. What will happen? Well, let's be completely honest. I'm probably going to have to end up paying the $69 that it costs to replace the battery, and thus just proving the point that I really don't know what I'm doing. So with that being said, let's make the appointment, and then let's take you guys to the Apple Store and do that awkward thing where you put the phone down, you don't get the rep on the camera, and you talk as you go in. And I'm going to have to use a different phone because this is the phone I need to get worked on. So we'll see. Let's go ahead and schedule my appointment for the Apple repair for my battery. Click on the iPhone 13 Pro, and I do want to get a repair or physical damage. And in this instance, we want a battery service. So let's continue. Now, I do want to go into the store to get it taken care of. Most likely, it's going to take probably 2-3 hours. So that is what we're going to have to do. Oh, excellent. They do have an 11:05. I wonder if I can get there by 11:05. I should be able to. The earlier, the better. Okay, so the appointment's set. On to the Apple Store. You know, I half expected it to be a little busier here. I don't know why. We're heading in. Gonna see what's up.
Yeah, 93%. Yeah, still. So anything above 80% of its original charge, still technically passing it out.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
still within the green there.
Yep. As far as that 80% goes, I just want to confirm, is that on any phone, you know, like within the past few years, or just under Apple Care that you guys will replace that at no charge?
So under Apple Care or limited warranty.
Or limited warranty, okay, yeah. So if it's a phone's like less than a year old and it happens to be under 80%,
That's when it's like a non-payment.
after that, it's just whatever the fee is.
Yep, I think
as far
for
as that goes.
$69.
69.
And about like how long do you normally see it last for you on like one charge? Like I would say like ballpark.
6-7 hours. Yeah, sometimes. Yeah, around that. It just depends on what I do. And you know, obviously, I was getting like 8 to 9.
Right. Yeah. We always got it.
Yeah.
Two hours later.
Did you buy any of that? Because that's not how that happens. That's not how it works.
That's not how it works. That's not how any of this works.
Nobody knows. Nobody ever knows who I am. I don't even. I would never even do that. So those of you who are new, no, that's not me. I would never ever do that. So yes, I paid $69 to have a brand new battery. Some of you might not. I mean, 93% battery life certainly is not that bad. Getting 6 to 7 hours of usage during the day certainly is not that bad. I will be monitoring this and, posting my findings with a brand new battery on a 1-year-old phone. And you might be wondering why I'm still on the iPhone 13 Pro instead of the 14. Well, go ahead and check out these videos right here. And of course, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. You all take it easy, and I'll see you in the next video.